This property is a dream ng nanay ko na magkaroon ng bahay nearby the metro na kung saan siya magkakaroon ng peace of mind, ng rest habang the busy life in Metro Manila. Technically, sa taga-Pasig kami. The very crowded city na gusto niyang parang province-like na places. Pero hindi naman malayo sa Metro Manila. So this is her dream. Okay, yung bahay na to para sa kanya to.
Actually, kaya ako sinikap na magkaroon dito, it's for my retirement, kasi I like the ambience here with the mga nature, kasi nature lover ako. Kaya sabi ko nga kina engineer, half of the lot will be a garden.
So we're excited to have this, alam mo yun, laid back, simple na na pamumuhay dito sa Cavite area. Alam mo yun, we could find the vibe of living in a peaceful places, far from the noisy traffics and sounds of cars. Ganun.
Excited kasi I have this dream. Actually, this is one of my dream na magkaroon ako ng ganitong, and this is for my son actually na under his name. So, it's my legacy na siguro para sa kanilang magkapatid. Yun lang. Just being so happy and excited.
So right now, meron tayong groundbreaking ceremony. So nandito yung sa left side natin. This is a 2-story residential with roof deck. This is somehow sitting on a approximately 300 to 400 square meters lot area with a total floor area of 300 square meters. It includes around 5 to 6 rooms, no? So clients do have a big family. At the same time, they want to entertain guests. So madalas sila daw yung host ng mga reunions. So something like that. For the project, more likely somehow on a modern minimalist. They just wanted a simple but the elegant aesthetic of the house.
Ang mission po namin is mai-deliver po sa inyo to na on time, and then syempre po is perfect. Andun po kami para i-execute lahat ng mga kailangan. Gawin lahat ng nasa plano ng maayos. Satisfied din namin kayo sa result na ibibigay ko namin.
Kaya nagpapasalamat din ako sa ating mga architects na nag-design nitong bahay. Siyempre, hindi ito titibay nang wala ating mga engineers. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa ating mga engineers na sa team and sa lalo na siyempre, hindi ito mangyayari kung wala rin naman tayong tao sa bawah. So, siyempre nandiyan si foreman, nandiyan ang ating skilled, mga helpers. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. And we will make sure po as a JT na may deliver namin na maganda, maayos. So, yun lang po. And maraming salamat po sa inyo nandito lahat.